said Margaret Mead. In fact, said Mead, that's the only way it's ever happened. Ron Kovic, author of Born on the 4th of July, says it best. Hey, let's all step into a new age, the age of reason. He's right. I think we are in a new age, and it's up to us to make it work. If not, if we see an injustice, and if you don't act, and I don't act, then who? And if not now, at this moment, then when? I think it's a challenge to become an agent of liberation, championing the cause of humanism, charity, kindness. I think together we can make human ideals and human values a reality. Whatever affects one directly, said Dr. King, affects all indirectly. Let us care about one another, and not only those of our own clan, or class, or color. Just because you're a woman and a woman's denigrated, don't think I care only about women. Or because you have Polish roots, you care only about someone who's Polish. Or because, that's self-destructive. We have to expand that to care about others. Dr. King's words act as a symbol of a unifying dream, hoping that our stereotypes will be swept clean, our minds rededicated, and our souls redeemed. Know with Dr. King that we can overcome. Know that with Socrates, that one who injures another injures himself or herself spiritually. And know with Aristotle that hope is a waking dream, and in shared hopes and in shared dreams, we can overcome the injustice of stereotyping. I want to thank you for having me here in Ames. It's my first trip, and until we meet again, I simply like to extend a hand of friendship and of appreciation to each and every one of you. Thank you very much. I'll be glad to answer any questions you might have. I do have a 6-minute clip from the cassette, and that because of the time factor, I didn't show it. If you'd like to see it, I'd be happy to show it, or we can just fire away on a couple of questions that you might have. Why don't we take questions for a few minutes, and those who want to stay, I'll show the cassette. It's only a 6-minute clip from the Today Show. Any questions? Well, I'll show the clip.